Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy low updo. We're going to start with the hair in side parting, and we're just going to section out the front sections. So take your comb and run it from the top of the head to just above the ear and clip this out of the way for later. And then just repeat this on the opposite side of the head. Next we're going to use our thumbs and just part the hair from the top of the ear on both sides. And we're just going to smooth this down with a brush and then just pop it into a clear elastic band, creating a small ponytail. Add a bit of texture spray and then use your fingers just to pinch and pull at little sections of the hair to give it a texturized look. And then just set these in place with a little bit of hairspray. I'll link all the products I've used today in the description box below. Next, gather up all the loose hair and we're going to pop it into another clear elastic band, creating a low ponytail. Use your fingers just to loosen up those side sections so it's not too tight. Next, I'm going to take some hair padding. I'll leave a link to this in my description box below. And we're just going to attach that to the head just above that low ponytail. We're going to attach this to the head using a few bobby pins. Next, we're going to add a clear elastic band a few inches down from the bottom of the ponytail. On the last twist of that elastic band, don't pull the hair all the way through, just pull it part way through so you're creating a little loop. And all we're going to do is just pick up that loop and tuck it up and behind that bum padding. And then we're just going to pin it to the head with a few more bobby pins. Use your fingers to fan out the section covering the padding, and we're going to catch the very ends of it and use this to just anchor it down to the sides of the head. Next, we want the texture of the hair to be the same as the top, so we're just going to pinch and pull at random sections and secure with hairspray. Next, let down the front right hand section and we're going to twist it towards the head, drape it over the top of that bum padding, and then just anchor it down on the left and right with a bobby pin or two. If you have any tail ends left over, just wrap these round a bobby pin and push them up and underneath that padding to hide it. Then on the other side of the head, we're just going to split this section in half, and then we're going to do a simple rope braid. So twist both sections towards the face and then cross the front section over the back section away from the face. Once you get to the end, drape this across the bun padding in the opposite direction and then just pin it into place with a few more bobby pins. Again, wrap the ends around a bobby pin and tuck them underneath that padding to hide them. Now spend a few minutes just pinching and pulling at that twist just to give it a nice voluminous look. We want to make sure the front of that hair is the same texture as the rest, so just again use your fingers to pinch and pull at random sections and secure into place with a bit of hairspray. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.